Part
First
two.
thing people want to do, though, you know. So.
Preston thought about giving it cat food.
Well, I heard.
You heard that it's fine for them?
Yeah, I've heard it so many times.
You have? I don't know.
Let me look at this video.
It's still breathing. That bird is lucky. This thing is small though. That thing's about like 3 centimeters. Oh. It's
not only to survive, but to digest the food that you are feeding. Digest the food you're feeding, they won't be able to continue begging.
Let's get them somewhere warm.
careful. I got the cat food. I got the cat food.
I lower the temperature down to 97 degrees.
Yeah, this thing's still moving. Hey, bud.
The chick should have some temperature is lowered again to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. By the time the chick reaches around 15 days old, depending on the species, most of them should be fully feathered by then, and they're able to regulate their own body temperature, so they are able to stay.
It's telling me temperature, but it's not telling me.
Now, if you're interested in learning more about these different temperatures at different stages of the chick's life, I've made a video showing how I use that video.
Okay, it's being cat food.
About these different temperatures that the baby birds need in order to develop.
Hopefully the bird likes it and does not die. This bird is still moving.
Is what do I do if
You have
they
to look
won't open their mouth to
closely.
eat? Now I'm assuming that this question will be for a baby bird, not an older bird that you pulled from the nest and it realizes that you are not the parent. Maybe it's afraid and that's why it's not opening its mouth. But if it's a young chick, and even with the older ones, if they're not opening their mouth after about an hour and a half or 2 hours, then that means that you have to take measures to keep this bird alive. And the only way that you're going to be able to feed it will be to crop feed. I've done a video showing how to crop feed, and it's going to be listed in the description below. The link will be there if you're interested in learning a little bit more on how this method works.
I have to take care of the chick for a few days, and then
We'll see if they can. I'll be prepared. At least it's gonna die here than from a predator.
Yeah.
But
That bird's lucky to live because Croncrow would have killed it.
well, I think that's why she didn't kill it. She saw it was a baby that couldn't defend for it. That's how I noticed it. It said that if it doesn't open its mouth after if in an hours, then you start getting the what is it?
You touch it? It's okay, bud. I feel bad for it. Those other birds probably might be bullying it.
There's some birds that kick them out of the nest.
That's probably what happened.
No, not this species. I don't think. Come on, guy.
Hopefully
Why is he burrowing his head? Come on.
he's probably scared. Probably doesn't know that you're food. Oh. I think it touched his eye. Come on, bud. It's touching his face.